Welcome back to Fork It, Let's Cook with Leah, episode 29, Sweet and Sour Meatballs. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and grease a large baking sheet. Add 2 pounds of meat into a large bowl. Finely chop half a cup of onion. Add that into the bowl of ground beef along with 2 eggs and 1 cup dry breadcrumbs. I like the Italian version. Sprinkle with half teaspoon ground ginger, 1 teaspoon seasoning salt, half teaspoon pepper, and 2 teaspoons Worcestershire sauce, along with 2 teaspoons sugar. Mix very well using your hands until all of the ingredients and seasonings are mixed in very well. Shape the mixture into 1-inch balls. I like using a cookie dough scooper, and then place it onto the prepared baking sheet. You're going to bake those for 15 minutes or until fully cooked and then set aside. Reserve the pineapple juice and mix with enough water to equal 2 cups of liquid. Pour into a large bowl along with 2/3 cup of water, half cup vinegar, and 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Whisk that up and remove a 1/4 cup of the liquid and add to a small bowl. Whisk in 6 tablespoons of cornstarch until smooth and set aside. Add your liquid that's in the large bowl to a large pot and add 1 cup brown sugar, along with 1½ teaspoon ground ginger and 1 teaspoon seasoning salt. Whisk up and set aside. Dice 1 carrot, along with 1 bell pepper. You can use green or red, and add to the large pot of liquid. Add the pineapple and cooked meatballs into the large pot. Next, we're going to make some rice. I'm going to make 3 cups of rice, which equals 6 cups cooked. I like to rinse my rice several times until the water is nearly clear. After it's rinsed, I'm going to put it into the rice cooker and let it do its thing. Cook the meatballs and sauce over medium heat, covered for 10 minutes. Then you're going to remove the lid and continue cooking for another 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Re-whisk your cornstarch mixture to make sure it is smooth and pour into the pot. Stir and heat over low heat until thickened. Serve hot over the cooked rice. Enjoy, and thanks for watching.